Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into an interesting problem surrounding C++ conversions. In this scenario, we have a setup with structs like myint, testCRR, and teststr where myint has specific conversion operators defined. The crux of the problem lies in how these conversions are utilized in aggregate-initialization for testCRR and teststr. Let's explore the nuances of this problem further. In the solution provided, we discovered that the behavior of the compilers MSVC, GCC, and Clang vary when it comes to the statement teststr myint. Clang, in this case, seems to deviate from the expected behavior by selecting the deleted conversion operator to int. This is problematic because it should have prioritized the deleted conversion operator to std, array-int2 instead. The key reason for this discrepancy lies in the intricacies of list initialization in C++ and how deleted conversion operators are treated in such contexts. So, to wrap things up, it's clear that while some compilers may handle this situation differently, the intended behavior should be to prioritize the deleted conversion operator to std, array-int2 over the conversion to int, as per the C++ standard rules. Remember to stay curious and explore the depths of C++ to uncover more intriguing nuances like these. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep coding and stay awesome.